Hey bakers, Henry here. If you've ever milled your own flour, dropped it into a recipe you love, and watched that dough turn into a sticky mess, this one's for you. This is the mill. It's a free tool we built that takes any recipe and rewrites the plan for fresh milled flour. How many grams of berries to mill? What grain to use? How much water to hold back? How your fermentation changes? All of it. Let me walk you through the whole thing. Step 1. Pick your bake. You've got a few of my recipes built right in. My foolproof sourdough, pita, focaccia, a quick bread, milk bread. One click and the flour and water are loaded. If you're working from your own recipe, hit custom and punch in your flour and water in grams. That's all it needs. But here's the part I'm proud of. Hit browse recipes, and the mill pulls the entire recipe pantry. Live. Every recipe with the baker's math already attached. Filter by category or search by name. Let's grab a sourdough. One tap. Flour weight, hydration, style. It's all in. Hit next. Step 2 is where you tell the mill what you want the loaf to taste like. Not what grain to buy, what result you want. Mild and lofty if you're easing somebody into whole grain. Balanced if you want honest wheat flavor. Bold and hearty adds a touch of rye. Tender crumb for your quick breads. Ancient grain if you want that nutty, old world character. Pick one and it recommends the grain for you. Want to blend? Turn on advanced and stack up to 7 grains. The tool keeps you honest. Your percentages have to hit 100 before it lets you move on. Then choose your flour style. Whole grain, no sifting, every gram goes in. Lightly sifted pulls the coarsest bran for a softer crumb. Fine sift gets you close to that bread flour feel. Watch the math change. Sifting costs you yield, and the mill accounts for it. And right here, you can tell it about your mill. More on that in a minute. Hit Build My Plan. And there it is. The headline number. Exactly how many grams of berries to mill. Not flour, berries. It already backed out your extraction and your mill loss, so you're not coming up 30 grams short with the mill already dirty. Then the full plan. Your grain and why. Your blend in grams. Grind setting. Sifting instructions. And this one matters. Water holdback. Fresh flour drinks slow, so the mill tells you how much water to keep in the cup and add as the dough asks for it. Rest, mixing, fermentation, and what the dough should feel like. Because fresh milled dough feels different, and if nobody tells you that, you'll think you did something wrong. You didn't. Don't trust me? Good. Tap Show the Math and check the arithmetic yourself. It's all there. Save it to your baking log, copy it, or print a one-sheet to keep on the counter. And if it came from the Recipe Pantry, there's a link right back to the original recipe. Now, the part that makes this tool yours. Every mill loses a little flour. Some clings to the hopper, some dusts into the air. Your mill's loss isn't my mill's loss. So run one test batch. Weigh your berries going in. Weigh your flour coming out. If you sifted, weigh the bran too. Type in the numbers, and the mill computes your personal loss rate and extraction. Save it as a profile, then tap the star to make it your default. From now on, every plan you build is calibrated to your mill automatically. You'll see the plan badge flip from starter estimate to calibrated. 2 more tabs before I let you go. The grain guide gives you short, honest notes on all 7 grains. Which ones are thirsty? Which ones have weak gluten? Which ones you shouldn't overmix? Read the short lesson at the bottom. It's 5 rules that'll save you 5 bad loaves. And saved plans is where your plans live. Open one, copy it, print it. They're stored right on your device. That's the mill. Free, no login, works on your phone right at the counter. You'll find the link below. Mill something this week and post the loaf in the community. I want to see what your grain does. Perfection is not required. progress is.